I love to get out and live life. But I don't want to just exist, I want to live. You know, ultimately it's all about family, about sharing those times with good friends. My name is Rob Stringer. I'm the owner of Arizona Collision Center. I've always been very, very OCD with the attention to detail in everything. Anybody can fix cars, anybody can paint vehicles, but do they really and deeply in their heart care about the overall repair, the overall experience for the consumer? And that's ultimately where I try to guide almost all of our attention.
My name is Matt Moses. I'm the owner of Bob Moses Ceramic Coating. He gets it done right. But more importantly than that, you become his family, which is hard and rare to find these days. He is an incredible business owner, and I wouldn't put my faith in any other body shop.
I've been going to Rob for well over 15 years. I'm Darren Coleman. I'm a drywall contractor. I own Custom Drywall. Been in business since 1960. Rob's a very personable person. You know, he seems to take an interest in everybody, every one of his customers, what's going on. So that's the thing I've been kind of drawn to him. He's just always taking care of me.
Good, strong, independent shops are a dying breed in our industry. It's about standing out and offering services to clients that most shops don't. So I've got a lot of longevity with my team, and ultimately it's because we all care, you know, and we all believe in what each other does, for sure.